Here given the problem, in a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls and each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was rupees 1600, how many boys were there in the class? That is the problem given. Here in the class total number of students is 60 given and each boy contributed how many students of girls there, that equal money they given, and each girl given how many boys there, that much members boys to equal number of money they given. So total collected amount 1600, how many members of each boy and girl, that is the question given. So here given total number of students in the class equal to 60. Now here girls boys number not given, so we feel let the number of girls in the class equal to x. So the number of boys in the class equal to, so in 60 x girls there, so the boys are 60 minus x. Now each girl contributed amount to 60 minus x rupees, each boy contributed amount to x rupees. So each girl contributed amount is equal to number of boys, that means that is 60 minus x rupees. So here how many girls there, x, so x girls contributed amount equal to x into 60 minus x. So x into 60 minus x means x into 60, 60x minus x into x is x square, that equal to rupees 60x minus x square. Next, each boy contributed amount is equal to x rupees, each boy contributed amount, that is equal to number of girls, that equal to rupees x. Now x 60 minus x number of boys there, that one contributed amount, so 60 minus x boys contributed amount, so 60 minus x into x. So 60 minus x into x is nothing but 60 into x, 60x minus x into x is x square, that equal to rupees 60x minus x square. So totally collected amount is 1600 given. So the total amount collected equal to rupees 1600. That means girls collected amount, boys collected amount is equal to 1600 rupees. That purpose both numbers adding. So 60 x minus x square plus 60x minus x square equal to 1600. So 60x plus 60x equal to 120x minus x square equal to minus 2x square equal to 1600. Now plus minus 2x square transfer to that side, plus 2x square plus 120x transfer to that side, minus 120x square. x. So 2x square minus 120x plus 1600 equal to 0. Now here 120x can be written as 2 into 60x, 1600 can be written as 2 into 800. So in that all we taking 2 common. So 2 taking common, then 2 into x square minus 60x plus 800 equal to 0. Now multiplication to transfer to this side, that is division, 0 by 2 equal to 0. That means x square minus 60x plus 800 equal to 0. That means by product we want to get x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is 800. So by the product we want to get 800 and here x coefficient is minus 60. That means product of any two numbers is 800 and the addition is minus 60. So if we taking minus 40 minus 20, their product is minus into minus plus 40, 20 is 800. Their addition minus 40 minus 20 is nothing but minus 60. So in the place of minus 60 we writing minus 40 minus 20. So x square minus 40x minus 20x plus 800 equal to 0. Now x square means we can write x into x, 40x means we can write 40 into x. So that x common taken means x minus 40. Now 20x means we can write 20 into x, 800 means 40 into 20. That means in this both 20 is the common. So minus 20 common taken, here x minus into plus is minus 40 into 20 equal to 800. So 40. Now x minus 40 is the common number. So common factor taking, that means here in that first case remained 1 is x, second case remained 1 is minus 20. So x minus 20 equal to 0. So x minus 40 into x minus 20 equal to 0. That means either x minus 40 equal to 0, either minus x minus 20 equal to 0. If x minus 20 equal to 0, then x equal to 20. If x minus 40 equal to 0, then x equal to 40. X means that is nothing but number of girls. So therefore the number of girls in the class x equal to 40 or 20. So the number of boys in the class that is nothing but 60 minus x. So that equal to 60 minus 40, otherwise 60 minus 20. If 60 minus 40 taken means 20. If 60 minus 20 taken means 40. So our task number of boys are how many? They are 20 or 40. The number of boys. Given problem, a motor boat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers on a river whose current is running at 3 kilometers per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours, assuming that the motor boat maintained a constant speed. What was its speed in still water? So in still water, what is the speed of motor boat? Asking. So let the constant speed of motor boat in still water equal to x kilometers per hour, and here given, so the current speed is 3 kilometers per hour. So the speed of current (3 kilometers per hour). Next, here given the up and back, that means upstream and backstream. So speed of upstream speed of boat in upstream equal to upstream its speed is decreased, so x minus 3 kilometers per hour. In downstream speed of boat in downstream its speed is increased, so x plus 3 kilometers per hour. Next, the motor boat traveled distance 24 kilometers. So motor boat traveled distance 24 kilometers. So for traveling 24 kilometers purpose, it taken the time 6 hours. So for up and back motor boat takes time 6 hours. Okay, now here time is equal to, that is nothing but distance by speed. Okay, so now if we apply that principle, now we can write 24 by x minus 3 plus 24 by x plus 3, that is equal to 6. So for up and down, so in upstream it taken time 24 by x minus 3, in downstream it will be taken time 24 by x plus 3, that is total time is nothing but 6. Now in this both 24 we can take common, so 24 taken common, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 6. Now multiplication 24 transfer to this side, that is division, so 6 by 24, 6 by 24 is nothing but 1 by 4, 6 1 ja 6 4 ja. Now here the remainder one is 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3. Now here x minus 3 x plus 3 are the denominators, so if we taken LCM of these two numbers, that is nothing but x minus 3 into x plus 3. So here x plus 3 and here x minus 3, so x plus 3 plus x minus 3, x plus x 2x, 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, that is 2x by x minus 3 into x plus 3, it is nothing but in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So here a equal to x, b equal to 3, so x square minus 3 square, 3 square is nothing but 9, so x square minus 9 equal to 1 by 4. By that cross multiplication, x square minus 9 is equal to 4 into 2x, that is 8x. So plus 8x transfer to this side, minus 8x, so x square minus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. Now here x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is minus 9. So by the product we want to get minus 9 and the x coefficient is minus 8. So by addition we want to get minus 8. So which two numbers product is minus 9 coming, addition is minus 8 coming, means they are nothing but minus 9 plus 1. So minus 9 into plus 1 equal to minus 9, minus 9 plus 1 is nothing but minus 8. So now in the place of minus 8x, now we taking as minus 9x plus x, x square minus 9x plus x minus 9 equal to 0. Now here x square means we can write x into x, 9x means 9 into x. So here x is the taking common, that means x minus 9. Next x means we can write 1 into x, 9 means 9 into 1, that means 1 is the common number, so that 1 is common taken. Now here x plus into minus minus, 9 1 ja 9 equal to 0. Now in this both x minus 9 is the common factor. So that x minus 9 common taken means here is x common and here remained 1 is 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0. That means either x minus 9 equal to 0, otherwise x plus 1 equal to 0. If x minus 9 equal to 0, then x equal to 9. If x minus 1 equal to x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. We are finding about the speed of the motor boat, that is not a negative number. So x value is taken as positive number, that is x equal to 9. Therefore, the constant speed of the motor boat in still water is 9 kilometers per hour. The speed of motor boat in still water x equal to 9 kilometers per hour. The given problem, find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters and whose area is 40 square meters. So we want to find the dimensions of the rectangle, that are nothing but length and breadth. So let the length and breadth of the rectangle are x meters, y meters, we fill in. Then here given perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but 2 into L plus B, that is 28 meters given. Now here we feel length is nothing but x and breadth is nothing but y. So 2 into x plus y equal to 28. Now multiplication to transfer to this side, that is nothing but division. So 28 by 2. 28 by 2 is equal to 14. Now if we write y equal to, now plus 14 transfer to that side, plus x transfer to that side, minus x. So y equal to y minus 14. Now here given next one, area is 40 square meters. So area of the rectangle LB equal to 40 square meters. So here L is nothing but x and B is nothing but y equal to 40. Now y, in the place of y, now we can write 14 minus x. So x into 14 minus x is equal to 40. So x into 14, 14x minus x into x is x square equal to 40. Now minus x square transfer to that side, plus x square plus 14x transfer to that side, minus 14x. So x square minus 14x plus 40 equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is 40. That means by the product of any two numbers we get plus 40 and the x coefficient is minus 14 given. So by addition we want to get minus 14. So which two numbers product is 40 and their addition is minus 14 coming, means they are nothing but minus 10 and plus minus 4. Minus 10 into minus 4 is nothing but minus 40, plus 40 minus 10 minus 4 is nothing but minus 14. That means in the place of minus 14, now we are writing minus 10 minus 4. So x square minus 10x minus 4x plus 40 equal to 0. Now x square means we can write x into x, 10x means 10 into x. So x taking commons, that is x minus 10 into x, 10x. Now 4x means 4 into x, 40 means 4 10 ja, we can write. So minus 4 taking common means x, plus into minus minus 4 10 ja 40, that is equal to 0. Now in this both x minus 10 is the common factor. So x minus 10 common taking, then here remained 1 is x and here remained 1 is minus 4 equal to 0. That means either x minus 10 equal to 0 otherwise x minus 4 equal to 0. If x minus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to 4. If x minus 10 equal to 0, then x equal to 10. Here x means that is nothing but length of the rectangle. So therefore length of the rectangle x equal to either 10 centimeters, otherwise 4 centimeters. Next, breadth of the rectangle. Y. So here we taken y is nothing but 14 minus x. That means either 14 minus 10, otherwise 14 minus 4. 14 minus 10 means 4. 14 minus 4 means 10. So that means either 4 centimeters, otherwise 10 centimeters are breadth of the rectangle. So if length 10 means breadth is 4. If length is 4 means breadth is 10 centimeters of the rectangle. The sum of the present ages of two friends are 23 years. 5 years ago product of their ages was 42. Find their ages 5 years hence. So here present ages of two friends sum is 23 years given. So given sum of the present ages of two friends equal to 23 years. So now we feel let the first friend's age x years. Now the second friend's age that is nothing but 23 minus x. Why? Because their sum is only 23 and here given 5 years ago. So 5 years ago first person's age, second person's age finding. So 5 years ago age of first friend is equal to nothing but x minus 5 years. Now age of second friend 5 years ago finding. That is x minus, so 23 minus x minus 5. So 23 minus 5 is nothing but 18. So 18 minus x years. Now here given 5 years ago product of their ages was 42. That means these two ages product is 42. So given 5 years ago product of their ages (42 years). So now x minus 5 into 18 minus x product doing x minus 5 into 18 minus x is equal to 42. So x multiplying with 18 minus x, that is 18x minus x square. Next 5 is multiplying with 18 minus x. So minus 5 into minus 18, that is nothing but minus 90. So minus 5 into minus 5x is 5 plus 5x equal to 42. Now So 18x plus 5x is 23x. Now minus x square transfer to that side plus x square plus 23x transfer to minus 23x minus 90 transfer to that side plus 90. So x square minus 23x plus 90 plus 42 equal to 0. 90 plus 42 is nothing but 132. Now here x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is 132. So 1 into 132 is 132 and the x coefficient is minus 23. That means by addition of any two numbers we get minus 23, by product we want to get 132. That means which two numbers product is 132, addition minus 23 coming means they are nothing but minus 12 minus 11. Minus 12 into minus 11 is nothing but 132, minus 12 minus 11 is minus 23. That means in the place of minus 23x now we writing minus 12x minus 11x. So x square minus 23x, that means minus 12x minus 11x plus 132 equal to 0. Now x square means we can write x into x, 12x means we can write x into 12. So x common taking, that is nothing but x minus 12. Now 11x means we can write 11 into x, 132 means we can write 11 into 12. So the 11 is common taking. Now 11 into x means 11x plus into minus minus 11 12 ja 132. So minus 12. Now in this both x minus 12 is the common number. So x minus 12 common taken means here remained one is x, here remained one is minus 11. So x minus 12 into x minus 11 equal to 0. That means either x minus 12 equal to 0, otherwise x minus 11 equal to 0. If x minus 11 equal to 0, then x equal to 11. If x minus 12 equal to 0, then x equal to 12. So x equal to 12, otherwise 11. Okay, that means the age, present age of the two friends are either 11, first person's age is 12 years, otherwise 11 years. Okay, so therefore present age of first friend equal to 12 years, otherwise 11 years. Next, second friend, present age of second friend, that is nothing but 23 minus x. That means 23 minus 12, otherwise 23 minus 11. 23 minus 12, that is 11. So 23 minus 12, 23 minus 12, 23 minus 12 equal to 11, 23 minus 11 equal to 12. So the second person's age is either 11 years, otherwise 12 years. But here our to ask after 5 years how much their age, that is asked. So after 5 years, first friend's age, that is 12 plus 5, otherwise 11 plus 5. 12 plus 5 equal to 17, otherwise 11 plus 5 equal to 16 years. Now second friend's age, that is 11 plus 5, otherwise 12 plus 5, that is 16 years, otherwise 17 years. That means if the first friend is 17 years, then the second friend is 16 years. If the first friend is 16 years, then the second friend's age is 17 years. That model their age is there.